This is Dr. Carroll, and this is another video in the list series. And this video is about list length. And so to figure out the length of a list, we just use length and then pass it the list. And so what this does is it returns the number of elements in the list. So let's look at a demo. So here we have a fruits list, and it's got 4 elements in it: mango, spondius mobin, banana, and kiwi. We're going to display it, and then we're going to display how many elements are in that list. And then we have veggies: green beans, broccoli, spinach, and we're going to display that list and then elements. So here for these two lists, we would expect 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice it's not the largest index, but it's the number of elements, which are different because kiwi is index 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 items. This is 1, 2, 3. But now what about sides, which is comprised of 2 other lists? What is its length going to be? And then what about this table variable here that has a list with 2 elements and then another list with 3 elements? What are they going to display? Let's see it. As we run it here, we see the fruits list: mango, spondius, banana, mobin. It's 4 elements, 3 veggies. Oh, but notice what we have here. The sides list, notice it's a list of 2 lists here. It says it only has 2 elements. And same with the table list, because it only has 2 elements at the highest level only. The level that we provided to length, that's the level it's going to display them. And so for both sides and table, there are only 2 elements in those lists. Now those 2 elements happen to each be a list themselves, but they only have 2. So for list length, use list. Check out my other videos in the list series.